Welcome to the future of industrial innovation. At Abhram Technologies, we bring cutting-edge drone technology to your industrial operations. Our industrial IoT products integrate seamlessly, providing real-time data and insights. Monitor, analyze, and optimize your processes like never before. In today's world, predictive maintenance is revolutionizing the way we manage and maintain equipment. By leveraging advanced data analytics and real-time monitoring, we can predict failures before they happen. This proactive approach not only reduces downtime, but also extends the life of our assets. Imagine a control room with large screens displaying comprehensive data analytics and drone footage, all working together to keep operations running smoothly and efficiently. This is the future of maintenance, and it's happening now. Enhanced safety and efficiency. Reliable, scalable, innovative solutions for every industry. Experience the future today with Abhram Technologies. Visit us at www.abram.com to learn more.